Unlock extreme efficiency and precision in your ammunition crafting by mastering the progressive reloading process. Welcome to your comprehensive guide on using a progressive reloading press, the ultimate tool for high-volume ammunition production. First, let's prepare the press by ensuring the primer feed system is correctly loaded for most machines. This involves carefully placing primers into the feeder tube, horn pointing upwards. Next, we'll set up your dies. The first station typically holds the resizing and decapping die. Screw this die into the press, ensuring it's properly seated and locked. Station 2 is for priming and powder dispensing. After resizing and decapping, the empty case is positioned under the powder die. Carefully fill the powder hopper with your chosen propellant, ensuring it's the correct load for your caliber and desired performance. Double-check your powder charge with a reliable scale before every few rounds. Accuracy here is paramount for safe and consistent ammunition. Station 3 is for seating the bullet. Place a bullet into the mouth of the primed and powder-filled case. Align it carefully to ensure it's straight. Adjust the bullet seating die to achieve the desired overall cartridge length and any necessary crimp, depending on your reloading data and component types. Finally, the fourth station is for the final finished cartridge ejection. Pull the operating handle, and gravity will do the rest, dropping your perfectly loaded round for collection. And there you have it. A completed round, crafted with speed and precision. This step-by-step process, repeated with each pull of the lever, drastically increases your reloading output. Continue practicing and refining your technique for consistently excellent reloads.